Hello everybody and welcome to the McCalls kitchen. My name is Elisha and we hope you all are having an amazing summer. It's been so hot and we've been loving it. And the best part is wedding season is in full swing. So I have all these items in front of me today that I'm going to take you through, and we're going to be decorating our very own wedding cake using some of the supplies from McCalls. So before we get started, let me take you guys through everything I have in front of me today. So McCalls has been working on new products and they just have come out with these gold draggie rods. These are brand new. They come in gold, silver, teal, and pink, and you can add them to your cupcakes or your cake. So excited about these. We're actually going to be using them on our wedding cake today. I've also got some Gumpaste flowers here that I'm going to be adding. We used our McCalls Buttercream on our wedding cake today, and we're also going to be adding some of our McCalls gold leaf. So we're going to be using a paintbrush to add that on. So let's get started. If you want to know how we stack this cake, you can watch our previous video where we show you how you can stack your very own 3-tier cake. We've gone ahead and added some more of our McCalls Buttercream and gave it this nice texture that you see here today. And now we're on for our final touches, the flowers. And one thing about wedding cakes is it's very important to think about the flower placement. So do you want your flowers to go all around your cake? Do you want them to be in the top corner, the bottom corner? I personally like a little bit of symmetry and I like some blank space on my cake. So today I'm going to be adding the flowers at the bottom half here and then at the very top here. That kind of gives you more of an eye-catching appeal when you look at your wedding cake, and then we'll jazz it up with some gold leaf that we have as well as our gold rods. So you always want to start with your bigger flowers first because those are what are going to take up the most space, and then we'll fill in any gaps with our smaller flowers. So this is one of my biggest flowers that I'm going to be using. And you also want to just take a second to straighten out any of the petals. They might have gotten bent in the packaging or while you were taking them apart. And we're going to find the spot that we want to add them to on the cake. So I'm going to take a quick look. All right, our first flower is on the cake there. Now we're going to start to go in with our second biggest flower. And for me, that is this one right here. And we're going to see where we want this guy to fit. So now that we have all our flowers on our cake, we can go in and add some extra touches. And this is not necessary, but if you like a little bit of gold like I do, we're gonna go in, we're gonna add some of that gold leaf, and we're gonna add some of the gold rods. All right, so I've got my rods on there. Now I'm going to go in with my gold leaf. So again, I'm going to be adding it along the flower pattern that we have. All right, so our gold leaf is on, and I'm actually going to show you guys this brand new product that McCalls has just come out with that I'm going to try on the cake today. It is their gold 24K edible dust. We're going to use the same paintbrush to apply it, and again, you want to be very careful with this stuff. Don't want to spill or waste any. Just look at how beautiful and gold that is. You only need a little bit, and we're just going to slightly pat it on. And I think I am all done. I absolutely love the gold on the cake. I think it added the perfect touch that it needed. So here is my finished masterpiece of a wedding cake. I absolutely love how it turned out. I think the flowers are the perfect touch with a little pop of color, and the gold just completely finished off the cake using all McCalls products today. If you guys haven't checked these out yet, you must visit and check them out. And I have something very exciting to share. We have come up with a code for you all. Fiorella10 will save you 10% off online, so you can actually snag these for a little bit of discount. And you should also try out the gold edible dust that we have here, the 24K dust. We have all McCalls products in warehouse. Everything that we use today you can grab to make your very own wedding cake, and we have another wedding special coming up for you with another style of wedding cake that we'll be doing, so make sure you guys subscribe and stay tuned for that video, and we'll see you very soon. Enjoy the summer heat.